Hello! It is Sunday, April 7th, and I am here at the access to 9 Mile Lake. I have never been here before. It's the first time taking out the new H2O Plaid Canoe. I'm so excited to get it on the water. And I'm just going to be paddling around today. It's a beautiful day out. The ice went out quite some time ago here, and I've been dying to get on the water. It was a bit windy yesterday, but today the conditions are amazing. It's about 13 degrees here. I am at the Georgian Bay Nordic Center. I might have to put the correct name below here, but that's where I'm accessing. I just have the car parked here. There's only one other car in the parking lot. It has a trailer, so it's probably a speedboat. Maybe they're going out to their cottage to get it ready. Just gonna paddle around, get the boat wet, get used to paddling again, start getting my arms in shape, and see what I can find. Maybe I'll see some wildlife, you never know. So let's go, I'm so excited. Alright everyone, welcome to the 2024 paddling season with my new H2O 14.6 ProLite green plaid canoe. Super stoked to have it out on the water. Beautiful, beautiful day here on 9 Mile Lake. Well, hello. I am paddling. It is April 7th. I'm so excited to be out here on the water. I've never paddled at 9 Mile Lake. I actually went to look at a house here on Friday in the area nearby, not on 9 Mile Lake. Obviously, I can't afford a house on a lake. I was very close to here, and my friend Tam had come with me, and she said, oh, we should check out the Nordic Center, the Georgian Bay Nordic Center, the Georgian Nordic Center, and take a peek, because she had wanted to go skiing there. So she showed me how to get to the beach, going down the road, and I had thought that 9 Mile Lake access was really busy and it was full of cottages. And there are a lot of cottages here, but there's no people out here really. I'm gonna kind of take a look around and paddle as much of the lake as I can and just enjoy the day out on the water in the sunshine, and we'll see what happens. Anyways, check out this beautiful waterfall. Well, it's absolutely gorgeous out here. I just kind of naturally was drawn to the left side of the lake after paddling for a bit because there aren't any cottages, or it didn't look like there were any cottages over on this side. They're just really beautiful rocks here. So I'm just going to paddle down this quiet little arm and check it out. I also saw a couple of water animals, we'll say. I'm not sure if they were ducks or geese or what they were, over in this direction, which I've now flown away, but just thought this might be a good place to start. Now I've come to what looks like a dead end. One of the fingers. I'll show you where I am on the map. I see a piece of flagging tape blowing in the breeze here. I'm just wondering where that goes. Really pretty here. Gonna take a boo in here to see if there's any wildlife. See if there's a beaver dam or something kind of blocking the way. Nothing too crazy. I don't see anything here. So I'm gonna go back out and I'm gonna paddle in the next finger. I'm just gonna keep doing that. I'm just paddling all around the lake, checking out spots, looking for wildlife, and just being out on the water and being happy being here. Alright, I'm now turning down the next finger of the lake, and gotta keep your eye out. There's a lot of shoals and stuff here. I don't know if the water levels are low or high. I think judging by the shoreline, they're a little bit higher than normal because the beach is kind of missing. But there's all kinds of rocks and stuff sticking out as I'm paddling in these little waterways. So if you're out here, keep an eye out. really pretty in here. I'm not sure if this is a Crown Land area where you can camp, but reminds me a lot of Go Home Lake, McRae Lake area. I'm just paddling down any waterway that I can get in and checking stuff out, because usually these little quiet spots are where you're going to find some ducks or maybe some buffleheads, or just saw some geese that I scared off from way on the other side of the lake. So really pretty here. Scaring them all away. I don't know what is over here. It looks like a wall. Okay, so just come up to this big wall. I'm gonna go down here first. And behind here, looks like a little bay, and they're also generally a good spot for wildlife because of the same reason. Stuck here, no biggie. It's far easier to get through stuff when you don't have anything in the boat. Just set my paddle apart, doing the ski poles, and zoom right over we go. This would be a great spot to hang out. Afternoon sun. Super quiet. I don't see anything on the map. Oh! Not sure if I caught that on camera or whatever it was, but I should have. Probably just a frog. Yeah, this is crazy. Big wall here. The water's really shallow here, but it's deep enough to get through. But after that rock, it ends. Get out here and take a... Let's see what's going on, guys. What's going on here? What is this all about? Alright, just docked the boat here. Here's the wall. So literally goes into this rock and ends here, but then it continues on. Oh, what a great day! I love exploring, finding these things. And on the wall, higher. Here I am up on the wall. Very wide. This is going to take me, it looks like, to where the wall is on the other part of the lake. It's all the way through. Look at this. There's a dam. Crazy. There you go. Look at that. Wow, I wonder how long this has been here. It's amazing. I don't want to go too far. I'm like really high up now. I don't like it. But there you go. There you go, eh? There's the rest of the lake. Here's the end of the finger here. Alright, I am back on the water. I figured since I was on land, I would take my dry suit off for a second and have a little tinkle. So I did that, and I ended up taking off my base layer long sleeve shirt because I'm just kind of roasting. Probably not the best idea because now I'm just wearing a tank top under this, and that's not that great because I can sweat in my dry suit. So I'll wipe it down and stuff on the inside when I take it off later. It's beautiful. Look at this. It's gorgeous. Time is just flying by out here. It's 3 o'clock. Brought a salami sandwich on some fresh bread. Just with some butter on it. And I'm just going to snack on this while I'm paddling. I don't really need to stop and pull over anywhere. I'm just kind of coasting around here anyways, so. Bon appetit. It's beautiful out. Oh my gosh. I miss this so much. Alright, I gotta speed up, try to get through this shallow part here. Alright, so there's a look at the wall from the other part of the lake here. You can just see the little tiny opening there where the water was coming out. I was like over here on the wall. Pretty cool. Believe it or not, it is going on 4 o'clock, and now that I'm out into the main part of the lake again, or I'm just kind of like one of the little fingers, but just at the very beginning or the very end, I guess, depending on which way you're going. The wind has picked up a bit, not too bad. I'm really, really happy that I got out, and I can't wait to spend some more time in the Scenic canoe. I can't wait to get out on the water without the dry suit on. It's pretty warm wearing it, even just with tank top on underneath. I do have my warm fleece tights on the bottom half, but I shouldn't have even put those on because it's just too warm. It's 14 degrees right now, according to the weather network. Not sure what it actually is, and you know, the air is cold on the water and stuff like that, but the sun is just beaming, the sky is so blue, and it's just absolutely beautiful here. I wish I could stay all day and all night. I should have came out yesterday and camped, but the winds were really high yesterday, and I didn't want to take the boat out the first time on the water, and high winds, and I know that just looking at this lake on a map, you can tell it would be a wind tunnel depending on which way the wind was going. So I didn't want to battle. I just wanted to come out in the sunshine and just kind of leisurely paddle around and get a feel for the boat. I'm perfectly comfortable in it. It's the same make as all of the other H2O canoes for the most part that I've paddled. This one is just different ingredients and different paint job. Well, this one has a glass application to make the plaid, and it's still the ProLite 14.6 Solo, but this one is carbon Anegra and Anegra basalt. Anegra basalt is what's on the bottom, which makes that that kind of strange looking pattern, the grayish blackish multicolored pattern, and then the green plaid on the side is like an application that Jeff used to make the plaid on it. So he said it was a glass application, and it's actually the first canoe he's tried it on. He has made a couple of tandems. I think there's a red one and a blue one right now, and I think he's going to be making some more based on what people want. Yeah, so, but other than that, the weight is fairly similar. My last one was 27 pounds. I think this one is a little bit more based on the glass application that makes the plaid, but not much. They're all around the same weight. Could just say approximately 30 pounds. I mean, when you're dealing in that number, it doesn't really matter if it's 33 or 27. You know, it's super lightweight. So really, really beautiful canoe. I'm super stoked to be paddling it this season, and I can't wait to get it out on some trips and see how she holds up. So thanks so much to Jeff from H2O for providing me these beautiful canoes to paddle each season. No, I do not get to keep them. The canoe that I paddled last season, I believe, is up for sale. Really nice light boat, great solo boat, and wow, look at these rocks. Hang on, look at that. Isn't that pretty? Oh my gosh, love it. Sorry, squirrel. I love rocks. I came across to this side of the lake to paddle along to get back instead of this side because one, I'm in the sunshine. Even though I'm roasting, I still love it. And two, there's just this beautiful rock face on this side that I like to look at and check out all the different types of rocks. There's some more similar rocks coming up here. Just letting the wind kind of carry me in. My arms are definitely a little bit tuckered. Again, haven't been paddling very hard, but I haven't paddled in a while, so my last trip was in November. I want to maybe even say December, but I think it was November. But look at these, they're just so pretty. Gorgeous. Not quite the same as the ones that I tried to get, but here's another right here. See that? There's like all these little teeny tiny colored rocks inside of these big boulders. See here? Really, really cool. Really, really pretty. I just love rocks. Got a tree growing out of this one here. It's definitely picking up. Hang on here. I gotta put the phone back in. There's another little section there. Well, thankfully the wind is in my favor right now. Probably should have paddled up the lake a little bit more because I could have just let the wind bring me back, but oh, it's okay. There's some more. Look at that. So pretty. So many different kinds of rocks in here too, all stacked together. Look at that, it's just so pretty. Different colors in the sunshine. So just a note, I am going to be getting a new paddle. I'm going to be trying out this year. I'm really excited. It is actually by a company called H2O. They make paddles. It's not any affiliation with H2O Canoe Company, who makes the canoes that I paddle. Totally different company. Brad is the owner and he makes the paddles, and he is super awesome. And he's just made me a nice bright green double blade that I'm going to be using this season. Hopefully I'll be getting it soon. And I can't wait to try it out. You can see in front of me is the access. And my car is just off to the right up there. You can't actually see it yet. So I'm gonna get out of here, and we'll see you soon. Hopefully next time I will be on a backcountry trip or on my way out to backcountry camp. Well, that was awesome. I'm so glad I came out. Short and sweet, not super long. Been out for about 4-ish hours, and I'm just happy that I got to get the boat out. So I'm gonna get it on the car and make my way home, and hopefully the next time you see it, I will be heading out on a backcountry trip. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye. Thanks so much for watching. If you like what you saw, please click the subscribe button. Also click the bell for notifications. If you'd like to get more information on the stuff I use on my trips, please check out my website at CamperChristina.com. Thanks. Bye.